Welcome to some wonderful yoga, which is called Yoga Spiritual and Spiritual Warrior. And then you can slowly either do this and stay here or the hand down. I know. And then slowly all the way up. A great twist for the spine, 2. And you can just be here, which is perfect. Or you can lean forward and see if you can come here. Or first 2 fingers on the inside by big toes, lengthen up, and then slowly go where you can go. Wherever it is, it could be here. As long as you're getting your inner thighs and your hamstrings, you are getting a wonderful release. 5 breaths, building strength and stability here. And then if you bring the legs together, then you're like, oh, 4. And then slowly 5. From here, lie down. Breathe out. And then either walk to sit or jump to sit. So you can find a way which is really good for you. You can jump in, you can do steadiness there. And then slowly from here, lots of wonderful options here. Lie down on your back. 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. So for those of you who have a headstand, and you know that you've got that headstand, then go ahead and do it. And if not, don't come up. Visit the foundations. So this is the foundations. And you place them down, and between that apex, your head goes there. Once you're there though, don't jump up, yeah? Just get your grounding. This is the grounding of it. The back of the skull comes here. And you push your elbows in. And then you slowly come up, and then you can maybe just do that. Your shoulders don't want to drop, they want to lift. Or push your forearm into the ground and then try another leg. And maybe in some ways they're not able to do that yet. But then the mind then opens with the opportunity of like, I can't do the full thing. But what I can do is a version of it.